Hi my loves, it's Beck and welcome back to my corner of the internet. And in today's video I thought I'd show you how I go from having naturally curly hair to having straight hair. I've been straightening my hair for years on years. So I thought, why not show you guys how I straighten my hair. This is what the finished product looks like. If you guys like it and you want to see the video, then keep watching and let's jump right in. So before I straighten my hair, there's a few things I like to do. Personally, I like doing a scalp massage because I'm trying to promote hair growth right now, but that is totally optional. And I like to do a mask because I like to make sure that my hair is very moisturized. So that's also optional. I like to make sure that my hair is clean because I like to straighten my hair and leave it for a week without washing it. So making sure your hair is clean is an important step so that your hair doesn't start to get funky and gross by like the second day. However, I make sure to wash all of it out before I straighten my hair. When I straighten my hair, I don't like to keep any products in my hair at all except for a heat protectant because I don't know, I just find that I get scared that if I leave products in my hair, it's just gonna crisp up my hair and make it have more damage. So personally, I just like to make sure there's no products in my hair except for the heat protectant I am using. And the heat protectant I am using is this Tresemme Thermal Creation Heat Tamer Leave-In Spray. I've been using this to straighten my hair for years. I've been straightening my hair since I've been in 8th grade, I think. That's when I started to straighten my hair by myself. And now I'm a freshman in college. So I've been straightening my hair for a really, really long time, which, I mean, I promised myself this summer I wouldn't straighten my hair anymore, but it's for a video, so it's okay. So I'm going to use this from Tresemme. I've been using this for years. So I'm going to stop talking and we're just going to jump right in. So the first thing I like to do is to make sure I have no products in my hair whatsoever. And then I like to dry my hair a little bit with a microfiber towel, and I just scrunch my hair and make sure all the water is out of it. So personally, whenever I straighten my hair, I always section my hair into 4 pieces. You can section them into as many or as little amounts as you want, but I've always just been doing 4. So what I do is I go down the middle, and this section, for now, I'm just gonna take a hair tie and I am just gonna pin or tie it so it's not in my way. And then in this section, I'm also just gonna split it in half. Okay, so I'm just going to split it in half, and then I'm going to take a hair clip, and I'm just going to pin it to one side of my hair, one side of my head, to just get it out of the way. And then I like to put in the heat protectant all over my hair. And I'll also use this pick, and I'll just brush it through my hair. You can use a pick, you can use a comb, you can use a diamond brush, you can use whatever the heck you want to use. So I'm going to repeat this step throughout my whole head of hair to make sure that there's heat protectant in every single part of my hair. And my hair is already detangled free because when I was in the shower, I like to detangle my hair while the conditioner is in it. I found that's like the easiest time to detangle your hair without ripping out so much freaking hair. Now that I have heat protectant in my hair, this is when I'm going to blow dry my hair. Personally, I like to blow dry my hair before I straighten it just because it's a lot easier in my opinion, because when you blow dry your hair, you're getting all those curls out and it's just much easier. You don't have to keep putting your straightening iron in your hair like 3, 4, 5, 6 times to get it straight because it's already almost straight. And when I blow dry my hair, I like to use the cool setting, and I'm going to use my blow dryer and my comb or pick or brush or fingers or whatever you have to brush out my hair as it's drying to get as much curls out as possible and to just straighten my curls. There are alternative methods to using a blow dryer if you want. In a later video, I can show you how to stretch out your curls like this without using a blow dryer, but for right now, for the sake of time, I'm just gonna use a blow dryer. So as you can see, I am done blow drying my hair. My hair is dry, the curls are stretched out, it looks very frizzy, and now we're gonna fix all of this by straightening your hair. So this is the straightening iron that I use. It's nothing special. It's from Ceramic Straight Iron. It's a straightening iron that I've been using for years, and the first thing I like to do when straightening my hair is to section my hair because it's easier to just get it done in sections. What I like to do is, for the side I'm working on, I'll split it into 2 big sections, and then I will take this section and I will take a tiny piece, whatever piece I'm going to start with. That's a little too big. You don't want to use super big sections because then you're going to have to pass your straightening iron over that section like 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and you don't want that. So I like to work in tiny sections, and how I do this is that I have my straightening iron and I have this tiny comb. I think it's called a rat tail comb. I really just don't know how to explain it, but just like using a tiny comb really helps to just make your hair finer and make the frizz just leave your hair. I personally don't like it when my straight hair is just like pinned straight. I like it to have like a little like swoosh at the end, and I'll show you how I do this. So what I do is I take my straightening iron, I go through with my hair with the straightening iron, and I also go through with my comb. And then on the second time around, I'll take it and I'll keep going, and then once I get towards the end, I will pull my straightening iron towards me, kind of. And what it does is create this like curl in your hair, and at the end you'll see it looks really nice. It kind of just makes your hair look like it was like kind of professionally done instead of just like pinned straight towards the end, which is really nice, especially if you need to get your hair trimmed and it kind of looks like a bunch of split ends. It makes it harder to notice it. So I'll just go through my hair, and I don't do it really fast either, slowly. And I'll brush it out, and then I'll go over my hair once again, and then once I get towards the end, I'll kind of move my straightening iron towards me like this, and then I'm just going to repeat this process throughout my whole hair. So this is my So this is the first section done. As you can see, instead of being completely straight and looking like dead ends, my hair is curved at the bottom a little, and it's gonna look even smoother and finer when I'm done straightening the rest of my hair and use some more products. So for now, I'm going to straighten the rest of my hair except the pieces that are close to my head and frame my face. Those sections I like to do a little something different, and I'll show you that when I get to it.
Few moments later. One eternity later.
So I am back, and as you can see, for the most part my hair is almost done except for this front section that I have off to the side. So this is what your hair is gonna end up looking like, and as you can see, it has these like swooshy parts. I really like this part, especially since I have layers in my hair. It creates a flow in your hair that I personally prefer over just having straight pieces of hair at the end, but obviously that's optional. So I wanted to show you guys how I do the front sections of my hair because it is a little bit different than how I would do the rest of my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pass it through my hair, and then as I get towards the end, I'm going to aggressively curl it towards my face. Do that one more time. Just aggressively, not aggressively, but like not ripping your hair out, but like turn it towards your face and make that swoosh bigger than you did for the rest of your hair. And then I'm just gonna take my hand and part it how I usually would. Usually I part my hair towards the middle. I'm thinking today I'm gonna do a little side swoosh instead. So this is my hair all done, but there are 2 more things that I do before I'm done straightening my hair. But today I am using the Argan Oil of Morocco by OGX. I've been using this oil for years. So what I'm gonna do is take some oil in my hair, about that much, like a penny size amount, and I'm going to run this through half of my hair, mainly focusing towards the ends because that's the part of my hair that is most dry and brittle. So I want to put oil in there to protect them. And I will rub whatever is remaining at the top of my hair to make it sleek and to tame those flyaways. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing on this side. And this is it. This is the finished product. This is your hair all straightened and done. I do have one more optional step, and that is to use hairspray in your hair. And the reason why I do this is because I live in Washington. It's always raining. There's moisture in the air like crazy. So the minute I step outside with straight hair, within like seconds, it's like poof. It like grows 2 times the size, like those toys you like put in water and like they just grow. That's what happens to my hair, and it drives me crazy. So to prevent this and to minimize this, what I like to do is put hairspray in my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye. I'd also tell you guys to follow my social medias. The only social media that I really use is Instagram, and I also don't use that very often. Hence I haven't posted in months, but maybe I'll start posting. So yeah, pump up the jams, pump it up. A microfiber towel with, ooh, my hair actually looks good for once. I'm using a spinny chair, and that was the stupidest decision on my part because now I'm just moving around every 2 seconds. This chair, God. Okay. Stop. Okay. Stop, what the frick? Okay. I need to hurry up before I lose some light. Okay. God, it's hotter than hell in my room.